Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. If you're craving that warm dessert that looks so fancy but takes no time at all, let me show you how to make great peach galette that you are gonna love and your friends will too. So let's get started. To a clean bowl, I'm gonna add 1 whisked egg, and then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of soft butter. Mix them well. Add half a cup of almond flour, and you're gonna flavor with some almond extract, but you don't want to add too much, half a teaspoon, and you'll find all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. You're gonna mix very well until you get a consistency that looks like this. We're basically making a very easy frangipane that's gonna be a nice base for the galette. And I'm using a refrigerated Pillsbury pie crust for this. You can use puff pastry or you can make your own pie crust. This is perfect, easy, and quick. I'm gonna unroll the circle, place flat on top of parchment paper, spread the whole amount of almond paste all over a thin layer, just like so. Next, you're gonna add the peaches. You need to peel the peaches. They're juicy, ripe, and delicious. I used about 4 peaches. Arrange the way you like. And this is how you're gonna fold and tuck the dough. It is so simple. All you have to do now is brush the edges with an egg wash or just simply heavy whipping cream. Spread some cinnamon sugar also, and that's totally optional. And I'm gonna add some silvered almonds on top of the peaches and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until the crust is golden. It took about 20 minutes in my oven and it looks golden, crispy, and it smells heavenly. And you almost have to serve this with some great vanilla ice cream. Choose the best tasting vanilla ice cream, slice, add on top of the warm crust, and enjoy the most amazing flavors. Take a bite of the fruit, the crust, and the ice cream, and enjoy a heavenly dessert. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appétit!